Good morning and welcome back to day 3, our last day in beautiful Kerry. It feels bittersweet knowing this is our final morning here. But there is something so positive and hopeful in that too, as if every ending is just the start of a new memory. We woke up early-ish, packed our bags and had breakfast together in the cozy cottage. We knew we had to leave by 11 am, so after tidying up, we all came outside. That moment, standing together in the morning light, snapping photos and videos, felt like holding on to every little piece of this trip. We lined up our cars in front of the cottage side by side and took so many pictures because these memories are more than just photos, they are stories. Then came the goodbyes. Saying farewell to the cottage felt emotional. It's more than just a house. It was our home for a few days. The walls held our laughter, the garden watched our joy, and leaving it, even just for now, tugged at our hearts. But our journey back to Cork wasn't just a drive. We made a plan to stop at a few more places to not end the trip too abruptly. Our first stop was the Caragh Ballintleave Viewpoint. The view was just breathtaking, rolling mountains, clouds drifting across their peaks, and a peaceful river flowing down into the valley. It felt like Kerry was giving us one final gift, a majestic natural farewell. There is something magical about that viewpoint. It's remote, quiet, and deeply scenic, and a place where time seems to slow. The world feels grand, and your heart feels full. After spending some peaceful time at the viewpoint, the rain slowly began to fall, gentle drops touching the hills as if Kerry itself was whispering goodbye. But we continued our journey to Kells Bay House Gardens, and the drive itself turned out to be a story to remember. The road led us through the famous Ring of Kerry, one of the most scenic routes in all of Ireland. Every turn showed us something new: mist-covered mountains, winding coastal roads, tiny cottages tucked between green hills, and the vast ocean shimmering in the distance. And as we followed that breathtaking road, we finally reached Kells Bay House Gardens, one of Kerry's true hidden gems. As soon as we entered, we could feel the calmness of nature all around, the soft sound of birds, the smell of rain-soaked leaves, and the gentle breeze from the bay. At the entrance, we had to get our tickets. Once we got our tickets, they gave us little stickers to put on our clothes, our tiny passes to explore this green paradise. We were also handed a map showing all the walking trails, gardens, and the viewpoints inside, and that made us even more excited to start exploring. So, we began our walk through Kells Bay Gardens, guided by the map and our curiosity, ready to see what hidden beauty was waiting for us beyond the gate. The first spot we explored was the Palm and Succulent Garden. It felt like stepping into a tropical dream. Tall palm trees swaying gently, unique succulent growing among the rocks, and the fresh sea breeze flowing through. It's hard to believe that a place like this exists in Ireland. It almost felt like a mix of wild beauty and peaceful order, nature's art at its finest. From there, we entered the Ladies' Walled Garden, one of the most peaceful corners of Kells Bay. It's said that this garden was originally created for the ladies of the house in the 19th century, a quiet space for walk, reflection, and conversation. As soon as we stepped inside, it felt like entering another world, surrounded by tall tree ferns, colorful flowers, and little winding stone paths. From there, we walked towards one of the most fascinating parts of Kells Bay, the primeval forest walk. Here, ancient tree ferns rise high like green umbrellas, some said to be over 100 years old. The light filtering through the leaves created a soft glow. It truly felt like we had traveled back in time to a world untouched and alive. The sound of the birds, the gentle crunch of the path beneath our feet, and the whisper of the wind through the ferns, it was all so soothing. And then we reached the Gunara pool, where giant green leaves floated over still water. reflect in golden light of the afternoon. It looked like a scene from a fantasy movie, calm, vibrant, and full of life. Then came the highlight, the skywalk, Ireland's longest rope bridge. It stretched across a little stream surrounded by dense greenery. Crossing it was both thrilling and fun. Every step swayed slightly, and we couldn't stop laughing and cheering each other on. Standing in the middle of the bridge, looking down at the flowing water and up at the tall trees, it felt like being right in the heart of nature. Then came the river ramble, where a small stream flowed beside a path. The sound of running water, the smell of wet earth, and the sight of mossy stones made it feel peaceful, the kind of moment you want to freeze forever. Since it was autumn, the world around us looked like a painting. Golden, red, orange, and green blending together under the cloudy sky. Every breeze sent a shower of leaves dancing through the air. It was nature's gentle goodbye, peaceful, beautiful, unforgettable. After all that exploring, we finally stopped at the coffee shop inside the garden. The smell of freshly brewed coffee, a few snacks on the table, and the laughter echoing around, it was a perfect ending to a perfect day. We were all smiling, tired but happy, our hearts full of memories. After that, it was time to say our goodbyes. One by one, we hugged, waved, and promised to meet again soon. We ended our Kerry trip with smiles on our faces and quiet wish in our hearts, hoping for another beautiful journey with the same gang again soon. And that's the end of our Kerry journey. Thank you all so much for watching and coming along with us.